guess we're now leaving Florida. Hurry back to the free state of Florida, the Sunshine State. Thank you for visiting Florida. Right. Okay, just crossed the Alabama state line. Welcome to Alabama, the GPS says. I think we are going to take a different route this time. I've gone back and forth across Interstate 10. I don't know how many times. Yeah, I want to do something a little bit different this time. I think I want to take Interstate 20. And the mileage difference is only like 12 miles difference. We're going to go up and hit it. I forget where exactly, but then it goes back down in West Texas and comes back down on 10 again. So, yeah, for the mileage difference, yep, that's a little bit further north. So, and I looked at some of the weather ahead. It's like only like 5 degrees on average. 5 degrees cooler. So, that's all right. We're going to take a different route. We are going across the Mobile Bay. That's Mobile, Alabama, up in the distance. I think we are at Mobile's where we got to make the turn off. Get off of I-10, and we'll take some other road that kind of runs diagonally up towards Interstate 20. We'll have to go through the Mobile Tunnel and then get off on like the very first exit to do that. I don't anticipate getting involved in too much traffic. We might have to go through part of downtown Mobile. I don't know yet. Never gone this way before, so don't know what to expect exactly. Okay, here's where we go in the tunnel. Suggested speed is only 40 miles an hour. What are we doing? We're doing 50 and people are passing us. We gotta back it off a little bit more here. Alright. Under the Mobile River we go. That's kind of creepy. Tunnels that go underneath a body of water, kind of freak me out a little bit. At least we're not stuck in traffic. I think we got to get off the very first exit up here. Oh yeah. Yeah, at 26B, Water Street and downtown. Downtown Mobile. Good boy. I think it's just past rush hour. So, what is it, about 8:30 in the morning? Late enough that rush hour has calmed down. Oh boy. Oh boy. Good thing I changed lanes. The GPS is usually pretty good about telling me to get in a certain lane. Yeah, traffic ain't too bad. Alright, you probably heard some bunch of banging around in here. I need to get a new clip for the stovetop. One of the burner covers. Geez, if you hit a pothole or something, the one burner lifts up a little bit and then doesn't come back down right. And when it does that, then from there on it just makes a lot of noise. So if I had the clip, it would stay in place and it would be so much quieter. Yeah. So, but it's the older style stove that I've looked online. I can't find that style of clip. They changed how they do RV stovetops quite a few years ago. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Maybe.
In a quarter mile, use the right 2 lanes to take the I-165 North, US 90 East ramp to US 98 East and US 43.
Huh, this ain't bad at all. Not bad at all.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the I-165 North ramp.
I-65 North ramp.
Continue for 5 miles.
What? Oh, okay. The GPS really messed with me there. Didn't it say to take the right lane? That would have gone down, you know, up that service road. It does that sometimes. It'll say right when it means left and left when it means right. Alright, we're gonna get out the road a little ways. That wasn't bad at all.
For Alabama 158 West, Alabama 213 South towards Citronelle.
Okay, this should be the last we see.
Use the right 2 lanes to take
Okay.
exit 13.
Be the last we see of any interstates for a little while. Getting off of 65 North will be just getting up a couple of miles,
Continue for half a mile.
and then it's gonna put us on one.
In half a mile, use the second from the left lane to take the Alabama 213 South, Alabama 158 West ramp to Citronelle.
All right, it'll put us on 158 west towards Citronelle. So that should be nice getting off the interstate for a while.
Alabama 213 South ramp, then use the right lane to turn left onto Alabama 158 West, Alabama 213 South.
All right. Well, that didn't take long. There's the sign. Welcome to Mississippi. Huh. Yeah, we're moving along okay today. I'm so glad we came this way. It just seems so much more laid back, easy going than going down along the coast. All the way from Biloxi, Mississippi over to Houston. That's quite a stretch, and it just seems just busy and a lot of traffic. This has been such easy going. We're almost to Jackson, Mississippi. And we'll be up on Interstate 20. And of course, being back on the interstate, you know, it will get a little busier, but yeah, not like down at the coast. I'm glad we went this way. And we'll see how it goes. Been on the road for a little while now. I don't know, we're gonna stop again pretty soon. right on Old Pearson Road. We'll take a little shortcut. We're almost we're just going to Cracker Barrel tonight. Again, I did look at a campground that was like just off the beaten path, really convenient. That, and it was $42.50 a night. And I thought I'm not spending $42.50 to just for a quick stay over. Wow. All right. Yeah. So anyway, the Cracker Barrel's gonna be right on. As soon as we get to Interstate 20, it's right there, like on the corner. So I don't know. We may have dinner. Maybe I'll decide to maybe drive another hour tonight or something. Or get up like I usually do. Just get up early in the morning, and I'll get up extra early in the morning and maybe get on 20 and get a good strong day in. Don't know yet. There we are, Interstate 20. 20 east and 20 west. Wonder how we ended up doing for today. I think today's like only day 3 of our travels. I should calculate at the rate we're going how long is it going to take us to get out to Arizona. It may work out, or I may have to pick the pace up a little bit. I need to have a look at that. I have a feeling we're going to have a couple big days in. Might have to pick it up.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left on Riverwind Drive, then use any lane to turn left onto Riverwind Drive. At the light, use any lane to turn left onto Riverwind Drive.
Alright, welcome to Cracker Barrel. See what they got available. I can tell you what, the last Cracker Barrel I was at was so busy.
Destination is on the left.
This one doesn't appear to be. The RV spots were all taken out. And other Cracker Barrel I was at, the RV spots were so short the Fiesta hung out. I couldn't get both the Coachman and the Fiesta in them. These ones look pretty short. Maybe. Wow, this Cracker Barrel has a huge parking lot. We might find some alternate parking. I think I've seen a big available space area down this way. Yeah. Yep. Thinking. Maybe like right here. How'd that be? Okay, break time's over. We're gonna get back on the road again this morning. Hopefully get into Texas a little ways. Gonna go through Louisiana. Yeah, we're still in. There's this Cracker Barrel's on the south side of Jackson, Mississippi. So I don't think we're far from Louisiana. It's gonna be a little bit of a trek getting across it and into Texas today. I did calculate it. We're at the current rate. We've been traveling for 3 days and we've only gone like 600 miles. But 200 miles a day. We still have 1,600 miles to go. That's like 8 days. So I think I need to pick the pace up a little bit. I remember making that trip out to Arizona from Pennsylvania, which is longer than from Florida, in 4.5 days. I think it was like 2,400 miles or something in 4.5 days. That's like 500-mile days. You know, that many in a row, not just one big day, but a bunch of big days in a row. That was a bit tiring. Anyway, I don't like to drive like that anymore, but I do need to do a little bit better than what I've been doing. Come on, girl. You ready to go? There's Interstate 20 right there. Yeah, jump there and go west. Come on, Belle. I think with the exception of this morning, I'm probably gonna skip recording and just drive. And then we'll probably resume the next video, starting probably from somewhere in Texas. So I got a bigger day. If I'm gonna make Texas, I got a little bit bigger day today than I have been doing. So we'll see what happens. Hey, thanks for coming along today. Okay, I'll see you again soon.